Creating an app with ProfitApp is as easy as logging in, going to start building your apps here, and then simply putting in your website. And if we go right here and put in any website, we can see the app right here, and from now on it's completely integrated with ProfitApp. So all we have to do is download the file, upload it into our website, so at https://serappisnow.com, and it's done. We can send notifications, users can download the app on their phones, on their desktops, wherever you want. In ProfitApp you have premium support, premium training, along with 30 plus different app templates, together with a exclusive app builder. Now let's first send a notification, and then let's go into our builder, and we'll also check out some apps we've installed on both an iPad and an Android phone. For example, let's just go here, pick this one and go ProfitApp test. This is so cool. And then we just click on send, and then we'll check our Android phone in just a bit. But before checking out any notifications and any apps, let's first see how easy it is to create an app with ProfitApp. So here we just click on import layout, and we have all of these beautiful templates right here, and let's just pick one. Let's pick this one. We just click on import, we get import successful, and then we're hit with this beautiful app and this amazing drag and drop editor. Editing an app is just as easy as accessing the app. As you can see right here, we can edit anything we want. We have all of these cool interactions with our boxes. We can move things around however we see fit. So we can just move this down here without a problem with drag and drop. We can edit the text, we can edit the video, we can do so much with ProfitApp. But what's more exciting is all of the elements you have access to. And if we just go to all, you can see we have thousands of elements you can use immediately, each with its preview, so you can see exactly what you're using. And we have all of them here. So we have banners, bullet lists, content boxes, footers, headers, even caption effects, all done for you to integrate into your own app to make it look as exciting and as modern as possible for your clients. Once you're done, you can just click update, and that's done. Your app is now automatically updated on your users' phones with whatever changes you have done. But let's see how an app looks on an iPad and on an Android phone. Here are two cool app templates side by side on my iPad. Let's quickly access both of them. Here are the two templates side by side. We can scroll through them, we can access them, we can do whatever we want on them. They're side by side and they're perfectly adaptable to my iPad. Everything is interactive. As you can see, I can click on all of the boxes. I can access the links, see any changes that have been done through ProfitApp's interface. These are just two of 35 apps you can create with ProfitApp. So let's switch over to our Android and see if we got that notification. And here I am on my Android. As you can see, pretty much the same thing as on my iPad. Everything is interactive. I can click and interact with anything on my phone. This is just another app out of the 35 you will have access to, apart from the thousands of elements you can use for your apps. And if we check for notifications, we can see right in the notification bar right now, that I received the exact message I sent from ProfitApp's interface. Take advantage of this offer right now and I will see you inside.